Welcome to Harvey Hooper Cars. This is our 2020 70 plate Toyota RAV4 XL. Finished in the Tokyo Red, it's covered 56,350 miles. It does come with a full Toyota main dealer service history, and it does benefit from the remainder of a 10-year or 100,000 mile manufacturer warranty until September 2030, as long as you continue to have the car serviced at Toyota. But just working our way around, we can have a look at some of the key details. The LED headlights, the 18-inch silver alloy wheels. Being the XL, we do have the privacy glass to the rear. We've got the full black leather interior, which is absolutely gorgeous. The electrically adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. You can see you've got the leather extended onto the top of the door cards as well. Automatic transmission. We've got the Toyota satellite navigation system. The seats are extremely comfortable, very supportive, with the interactive driver display there. Working our way into the rear seat. The vehicle does have a tow bar as well, with electrics, a reversing camera, and the electrically operated tailgate. The front seats are heated, and you've got your different driving modes as well, so you can put it in trail mode if you're going off-road, as well as switching it into eco and sport depending on what sort of driving that you want to do. But if you'd like any more details on this Toyota RAV4, please do get in touch.